All right, we're gonna cut open the jackfruit. This one is ripe, so we're gonna eat it as a fruit. And this one is about 11 pounds. So we're just gonna cut straight through the skin. Watch your fingers. All right, sit back.
I see some white like a pineapple. Oh.
We'll avoid that spot.
Whoa! Oh, it's
Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Right.
It's the color of a pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
So we're gonna, let's see. I guess the seeds are really good. I don't know.
I'll eat a seed. Let me try.
Let's try just this part. Yeah, I don't think we're eating the actual seed itself. I think we're eating the part
Oh
that...
my goodness, this is so sweet.
Is it?
It's so
I
good.
think we're eating the part that goes around the seed. Simon,
Yeah.
take it. Got it?
It's so good.
So good?
Smells bad.
It smells bad. Tastes good though. Wanna try it? Tastes a little bit like a banana.
Yes. It's kind of like a mango-ish banana.
And it's a little overripe. So.
It hurts.
Daddy,
I don't like
you don't want to eat it? That's fine.
because it stinks.
I thought that I'd be able to use this as a meat substitute, but I guess you need the underripe fruits for that, which those are smaller because they're not ripe yet. So those would be more like 5 pounds and under.
I'll bite.
Just try a little bit. Little bite. It's fine. Just try a little bite.
It stinks.
Oh, tastes good though.
It smells like a rotten. It smells like a rotten.
The smell's a bit strong, especially inside the house because it was overripe. We got it from the grocery store.
It smells like a rotten pineapple.
Just a bite. A little bite. Simon's eating it. Henry's eating it. Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the playground.
All right. So there's our experience with jackfruit. I like it.